What is seed collection? Definition of seed. A seed is a plant's organelle developed and grown from an ovule that was fertilized in an angiosperm. Seeds sprout and grow under suitable environmental conditions such as ideal temperature, humidity, light, and air. Then they finish their growth. Seeds of each plant vary in structure, shape, size, and composition. Definition of seed collection. Seed collection is the gathering of seeds in a natural environment. Seed collection is essential for various purposes: conservation, proliferation, and utilization of plants. Collection for the purpose of conservation aims at maintaining genetic diversity and conserving seeds when restoring habitats. The importance of seed collection. So, why is seed collection so important? According to the recently published 6th report of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, land temperatures have risen at an unprecedented pace the last 2,000 years, and research shows that most of the increase is attributed to carbon emissions from human activities. With this scenario of today's global development pattern and carbon emissions, the average global temperature will rise by 2.1 to 3.5 degrees Celsius, which is much higher than the 2015 Paris Climate Agreement target of 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius. As global warming worsens, it's expected that events such as heat waves in East Asia, including Korea, will increase, and heavy rains and floods will be stronger and more frequent. In addition to such climate stress, reckless development and exploitation of natural environments can accelerate the extinction of multiple animal species. Experts claim that if climate change continues at the current pace, 57% of plants and 34% of animals will go extinct by 2080. This is why seeds should be collected and forest genetic resources should be preserved systematically. Damages to genetic resources could not only lead to the loss of those resources, but also reduced adaptability of the ecosystem from rapid changes caused by climate change, pests, and large-scale forest fires. This phenomenon can lead to imbalance in the global ecosystem and further threaten the survival of mankind. Most plants reproduce through seeds. Since seeds contain genetic information, seed preservation is the most stable method of preserving genetic resources. Also, seeds are highly valued as forest resources because they can be used widely, such as for food and medicine. Therefore, it's urgent to prevent the loss of these genetic resources and preserve them by collecting and securing their seeds. There are some precautions that should be followed when collecting seeds. Firstly, every collection must include information such as the scientific names and the source of the samples. Secondly, if it's difficult to identify the plant or you don't know its name, collect the seeds first, but you must identify and confirm the plant's name. Thirdly, specimens must be made available for confirmation from the collection. Fourthly, you must comply with the international agreements and must not conduct an illegal collection. Fifthly, you must comply with the ethics codes and safety rules of your affiliated organization. We have now looked at what seed collection is.